Infurnia allows you the option of adding decorative elements to your wall, namely the wall cornice and the wall skirting. To add a wall cornice to your wall, click on the wall that you want to add it to, go to the Properties panel on the left, and click on the wall cornice option. And click on the right hand toggle button to enable its visibility, and a default cornice will appear along the top edge of the wall. To edit the cornice, click on the drop down arrow in the wall cornice menu. In order to change the cornice profile, you can go to the cornice profile menu and you can do any of the following. You can either click on the drop down menu and select from the existing profiles already created in this design. Let me select profile 4, and now you can see a previously made profile of the cornice has been loaded into the design. Apart from that, you can also edit this active profile by clicking on the Edit Active Profile option in the left-hand panel. Let's say I want to create a triangular profile. I make the necessary changes, create the triangle, and hit Apply to save changes. And now you can see a triangular cornice profile has been continued along the upper edge of the wall. Apart from that, you can also add an additional cornice. To do so, click on the wall cornice menu again and click on Create New Profile. Now, you can add any shape that you like using the line tools to create an additional profile. Once you do so, hit Apply to save the change. And now you can see a new profile has been created. To change the material of the cornice, click once again on the cornice and on the drop down menu. And then the upper side of the wall cornice menu, you can either click on the drop down menu of materials to select from the user defined ones, or you can go to Fetch from Store and select something from the catalog presented before you. Nearly the same properties apply for wall skirting. To add a skirting to your wall, go to the wall skirting menu after clicking on the wall and click on the toggle button to enable its visibility. A default skirting appears, as you can see. To edit the skirting, click on the drop down menu and you have the option, as you can see, of editing the dimensions for thickness and height. Let us change the thickness from 12 to, let us say, 30 or even 50, and let us change the height to 400 instead of 100. Now these changes have been immediately loaded, and you can change the material in the same way by selecting from the user defined materials and clicking on one of them, or going to Fetch from Store and selecting from the subsequent catalog.